everyone. Good to see you once again in the new year 2025. A new year, a new beginning, and I'm sure many of you would have certainly planned to pass your CIA exam this year. Let's begin the journey. Let's begin the journey to learn something new, and that's exactly what even your IIA is doing. Normally, IIA changes its syllabus every 5 years. So 2019 was the year when we saw huge changes in the CIA exam pattern. The part 1, 2, 3, all three parts went through drastic changes, updation with the new syllabus. Now we are sitting in 2025 and 2025 is no exception. So the very exciting news is that the IIA is coming up with the new exam syllabus for 2025, 2019 and now 2025. However, each time we face changes, it comes with a lot of anxiety, a lot of questions, especially when we are a student. I will try in my current video to answer your questions which will be in your mind as to what is changing, how is it going to impact us, and what if I've already cleared my exam before these changes apply. Though IIA officially has a very nice FAQ page where they try and answer all your questions, but with this brief video, I will try and answer those FAQs which could trouble you. There are a lot of blogs, unofficial sources which are trying to create a lot of confusion in the mind of students. My strong recommendation is that each time you want to check anything, the best way to check is to go to the official source. So next time, if you have any question related to IIA's changing exam pattern or syllabus or anything related to your CIA exam, the best resource would be the IIA's official website only. I'm here just to help you and explain those basic changes which we might see in 2025. So first thing first. Yes, 2025 is a year where we will see all three parts of CIA exam syllabus to be changed. When will this be applied? So the official date for English version is 28th May 2025. So the official date of English version change, or by when the English version exam will be available in the new syllabus, the official date is 28th May 2025. So from May 28th, 2025, the new exam will be applicable for all three parts of Certified Internal Auditor CIA exams. Now the questions. What will happen if I sit on exam on May 27th? On 27th of May, you will be giving your exam under current syllabus, which is applicable from 2019 onwards till date. So if you are appearing your exam before 28th May 25, 2019 syllabus, which is your current syllabus, is still applicable. But if you sit for your exam on May 29th, 2025 onwards, the new exam will be applicable. So in brief, what exactly is changing? 28th May 2025 is the official date when the new exam will be applicable for English version. For other languages, it will happen gradually. So for that, you can visit the IIA's official website, where they have very clearly mentioned for which language the changes will be applicable on which date. But it will happen post 28th May. However, many of you who will be going for English version of exam, this change is applicable on 28th May 25 onwards. Anyone who is giving exam before this date will be applicable. The exam will be available under current syllabus. After 28th May, the new syllabus. So I hope we are clear on this part as to when will the new exam be applicable. Now the next question which comes to our mind, should I give my exam now or shall I wait for new syllabus to come? Well, this is a question which you have to answer. Unless and until the new syllabus will come into picture, we may not be very clear as to which exam is difficult, which is easier. So that call you have to take. March end 2025, somewhere around 27th March 2025, IIA will come up with the new syllabus. My suggestion is, since that date is not too far, wait for people who still have a question in the mind. See the new syllabus, which will be available from 27th March 2025 onwards. Start preparing and then see which one looks better to you, the current one or the new one, and then take a call. Till then, if you are preparing for your exam, continue with what you are preparing. Some basic things will remain same. The definition of internal audit is not going to change. The role and responsibility of management, board and auditors will not going to change. So at least that much you can study with your current syllabus. Once the new syllabus is out, just see which one looks more beneficial to you and decide which exam will be difficult. That's difficult to say at this moment. So wait till the new syllabus is out, compare both the syllabus and see which one looks better to you. Along with that, some more question comes to our mind as a student. So there are three parts, CIA part 1, 2 and 3. Some student opt to give part 2 first, or let's say part 3 first. That's not going to change even with the new syllabus and the new exam. You still have an option to select whichever part you want to give first. The sequence is not going to change. There are 3 parts. It's up to you which part you want to give first. What if I give my part 3 now, part 2 now, but I'm still left with part 1, and then the new syllabus or the new exam has come on May 28th. Will that impact my previous 2 parts which I cleared? No. The answer is no. It's not going to impact it. What you have cleared, you have cleared. However, since you were left with part 1, which you are planning post May 28th, the new syllabus will be applicable. Only for part 1, not for part 2 and 3, which you have already cleared. Correct? So by now, I think few things would be clear. One, when this change will applicable, when the new syllabus is coming, and what if I'm partially cleared. So my CIA is not fully done as yet and the new changes come. So nothing to worry, IIA is there to take care of you. Don't worry about it. The syllabus is changing. The question comes, why do they change the syllabus? That's very, very important. Hey, look, we are in a profession of internal audit, an absolute dynamic field. If our knowledge is not updated, How will we work as an internal auditor and how will you add value to the client? So it's very important that we understand the new standards, the new global trends, and that's the major reason that IIA syllabus is changing or CIA exam syllabus is changing. There's something which is very important for us to know for CIA exam is IPPF, International Professional Practice Framework. And I'm sure many of you will be aware that there were changes and it was last updated in 2024. And what has changed majorly in IPPF in 24, that they also included global internal auditing standards. So if we are studying CIA, why should we not study the current IPPF as well as the global internal auditing standards? So with this new syllabus, the syllabus will include the global internal auditing standards. Also, we will be studying the updated IPPF, which was updated in 24. So that is another thing which is changing. Another good thing about the changed syllabus is, in current syllabus, sometimes we see overlapping, duplication in part 1, 2 and 3. And sometimes, I've seen students, being not happy about it. They say, hey, we already studied that in that part. Why are we studying it again? So with this current updated syllabus and the exam in 25, IIA has tried to minimize all those duplications so that what you have studied, you have studied. Very soon, I will be coming up with a new video which will talk about new IPPF. So IPPF is a very important part for our exam syllabus. I will be coming up with the new IPPF video where we will talk about IPPF quite in detail, the newer one. So stay tuned for that. Now we have talked about changes. We understood the basics. So the question, what is not changing? There are a lot of things which remain same. For example, the CIA will still have 3 exams, part 1, 2 and 3. What is not changing is also the number of questions in each part. So you will have same number of questions and same time allocated for all 3 parts, exactly the way it is there today. What is also not changing is the exam pass marks. The same scale of 600 marks and above. These things are not changing. The only thing which is changing and updated is the syllabus. And since the syllabus is changed, the exams will be changed. But trust me guys, there's nothing to be panicked about. You should not have a lot of confusion in the mind. Every single exam goes through updation, an updated version, and CIA is no exception. So all we're gonna study in 25 onward is the global standard, global market practices, the current trend of internal audits, and so on. That doesn't make the exam difficult. That only makes the exam more relevant to the market. I know each time each one of us face change, we panic. Changes are not very easy to adopt. But these changes are very relevant for us as a professional. So please look forward, be excited about those changes. These changes are actually good for you. If you will study with the relevant market trend, your knowledge will be at par of the market demand. So that was from my side in a very brief video where I just thought I'll take care of this point as to what is changing in CIA exam. And as I promised in between, I will be very shortly coming up with a new video. And that video entirely will be about the new IPPF. So with this, thank you so much for watching me again, and stay tuned. In case if you want to touch base with us for our video lectures or practice question or any study material, please get in touch with the team. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, and please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.